Most organizations operate campaign tracking in silos, often with little to no governance across channels, each team adhering to their own standards. This means that your datasets and your teams might have a hard time communicating one with another. And the insights derived from your data often end up at best skewed and at worst directionally inaccurate. Touchpoint Management by ObservePoint creates an environment in which standards from across the enterprise can be unified and enforced to ensure clean, consistent, reliable data from inception. Here's how it works. First, organizations establish a unified taxonomy defining the attributes and values applicable to all channels and campaigns, and share classification dimensions critical for subsequent analysis and attribution. Employing a library of custom touchpoint creation templates, marketers can be guided through the process of creating campaign codes and tracking URLs quickly and efficiently, while enforcing predefined standards to ensure IDs and links are created correctly the first time, every time. Where possible, Touchpoints integrates with third-party systems to automate tracking code creation as well as metadata imports, giving marketers considerably more dimensional data with little to no additional work. With customizable user-defined save views, application users can personalize their experience to focus on exactly what is most important to their roles. And finally, Touchpoints can be leveraged for ongoing validation of all your campaign tracking information, from values that are not aligned with defined standards to on-demand validation of tracking URLs to help you uncover breakages over time. With Touchpoint Management by ObservePoint, you can ensure that your marketing measurement program is unified and consistent, giving you the confidence to make decisions based on complete and accurate data.